Welcome. In front of me I have OPPO Watch X2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on this current watch face to open the watch face menu. Okay, let's open it again. And once you open the menu, you can scroll through it by swiping left and right on the screen. You can find the watch face you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also customize some of the watch faces. So if you open the watch face menu, some of the watch faces have this edit button under them. You can tap on it, and this allows you to change a few things on them. Can we skip this tutorial somehow? What if we press the lower button? No, not lower button is the wrong option. Just tap on the screen. Okay, so let's open the watch face menu again. Tap on customize. I guess we need to follow the tutorial. Okay, and now we can customize our watch face, and we can change the font. We can swipe left, we can change the color. We can swipe left and change the complications, basically the widgets. You can tap on one and scroll through the list, look for something you like, tap on it to select it. I'm gonna select steps everywhere, just for giggles. Okay. Oh, we can select steps here. So I'm gonna select, I don't know, media controls, and here, Google Wallet. Okay. And then we can press the crown button to apply the changes. And here we have our watch face. Very unique, with steps all around. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also change the watch face through the phone. So we can bring our phone that is paired with our watch, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen. And now we can open the O Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Actually, let me reopen it. Like this. In the app, you will see the home page. Tap on device icon. Here you should see your OPPO Watch X2. And under the watch, you will see this watch faces category. And you have a list of watch faces installed on your watch. You can find the one you like and tap on it to select it. And then you can tap on set as watch face to apply it. Like this. You can also install watch faces, additional ones, by tapping watch faces right here. It will open the watch face store. You can find the watch face you like and tap on it to select it. I don't know, maybe this one. And then tap on apply. It's gonna start downloading and installing, and after it's done, it's going to be applied on your watch. Like this. Okay, and that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.